LG monitor picture settings like HDR or game mode being grayed out indicates an incompatibility between the monitor, the connected device, and/or the connecting cable. This often happens because the required bandwidth or signal type isn't being properly transmitted. Here's how to access the monitor settings menu. Use the power button to open the main menu, then navigate to the setting option. Common causes include outdated HDMI or DisplayPort cables, incorrect port connections, and improperly configured GPU or device settings. Check your cables. Use certified HDMI connectors for proper signal transmission. Compare DisplayPort and HDMI ports to ensure you're using the right connection type. Practical solutions include checking and replacing cables with certified versions, verifying correct port usage, and updating monitor firmware and GPU drivers. The cable is often the most common culprit for grayed-out settings. For HDR, ensure you're using a certified HDMI 2.0 or higher cable. For high refresh rates like 144 Hz or more at 4K resolution, especially with DisplayPort, a DP 1.4 or DP 2.0 certified cable is crucial. Cheap or uncertified cables often lack the necessary bandwidth, causing settings to be disabled. Consider brands like Cable Matters for VISA-certified options. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with picture settings like HDR or game mode. Check LG's website for the latest firmware for your specific monitor model. Use the LG Monitor software for easy updates. Firmware updates often address compatibility issues and unlock features. As of late 2025, LG is increasingly using software-based solutions to address these problems. Your graphics card needs proper configuration to output the correct signal for LG monitors. For NVIDIA GPUs, open the NVIDIA control panel and enable HDR in the display settings. Set the correct resolution and refresh rate to match your monitor's capabilities. For AMD GPUs, use AMD Radeon settings to make similar adjustments. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers often cause grayout issues. Many grayout problems are resolved simply by adjusting these GPU settings. A simple reset can often clear cached settings that cause conflicts with grayed-out picture options. Start with a power cycle to refresh the monitor's internal state. Next, perform a factory reset through the monitor's on-screen menu. This restores default settings and can resolve software glitches affecting picture options. If HDR settings are grayed out, first check your HDMI cable certification. Use a certified cable that supports the required bandwidth. Then verify HDR is enabled in your GPU settings, such as NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings. For game mode issues, ensure your PC or console is outputting a gaming signal. Enable game mode on the source device, such as in your game settings. Note that some features may be disabled in game mode, so make sure all required settings are enabled. If you've exhausted all the basic troubleshooting steps and the grayed-out picture settings persist, the problem is likely hardware-related. Common causes include faulty input ports or a defective display panel. For official assistance, contact LG Support. They provide warranty coverage, professional diagnostics, and model-specific guidance to ensure proper resolution. Consider professional calibration services from certified technicians. These experts can verify hardware integrity, perform repairs, and ensure your monitor is functioning correctly without voiding warranties. Community forums like monitorfixes.com can offer valuable user insights and shared experiences. However, always prioritize official LG support channels to avoid potential warranty complications from unofficial fixes. Remember to always consult LG's official resources first. This ensures you maintain warranty coverage and receive the most accurate, manufacturer-approved assistance for your monitor.